This is my first unboxing from Cubelelo. So I used to bring cubes from Amazon and Flipkart. So this is the first time I have ordered it from Cubelelo. Let's check it out. So there are tapes. Okay. Yeah, actually ordered a Moyu RS 3M 2020. So let's keep this aside. Oops. So this is the package. Oh, I didn't get this before. So I got a stand from Cubelelo. So it says Cubelelo, Speed Cuber, and Happy Cubing. Nice stand. But and these are some bills, I guess. Yeah, they are bills. So this is a good stand, and let's check this. What is this? Okay. Let's check this out. Finally, a cube from Moyu. So this is RS3M, and I really don't know that. Moyu 2020. So this RS 2020, and yeah, this is, I can read Chinese by the way. So this is, please subscribe to this channel, and these are the reasons why you have to do this. And let's open this. Okay, so at the beginning we are getting the cube. Oh, so I got two stands. So one is from Cubelelo and a Moyu stand. Nice. And then what's inside? Really, yeah, finally I opened this from the back actually, then I closed. So let's keep this aside. Then let's look at the accessory box. So this will open like this. Okay, a screwdriver, actually pretty nice, very small. I didn't had any of this, so this is my first time. And I think there's spare parts, some manuals, and another spare parts. So let's see this. Okay, so these are mostly the sponsors or etc. maybe. And this probably says how to adjust those stuffs with this. So actually, yeah, it's Chinese, so I can't read those. Then there is one manual here. Hope it's in English. Well, yeah, it's in Chinese. Just kidding. There's an English side as well. Okay, so let's unpack this. Keep it aside. Then nothing else, right? Yeah. Then the cube itself. Okay, so this is, I think, whether I don't know whether you can see in the camera or not. Slightly texture. You can hear, I guess. Yeah, I really don't know whether you can hear or not. So let's do some first turns. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my first magnetic cube, as well as the first unboxing in this video. So yeah, cube is nice. Man, this is not a 600 rupees cube. I have got a wrong cube, really. This feels like more than 1,000 rupees cube. Turning is so good. Man, this is so good. Compared to my old cube, which is Chi Warrior S, I guess. So this is my first speed cube. I used to have a Rubik's brand before this. Yeah, you know that, right? Way better than this. Man, this is so cool. And as this is magnetic, yeah, I can feel that. I don't know whether you can hear that or not. Okay, so let's see the corner cutting. 45 degrees. Man, line to line. Okay, line to line a bit. Then what about reverse corner cutting? Are you kidding? Okay, see, this literally can't even. Okay, this doesn't even know what is corner cutting. Oh, it actually did a bit. Okay, another bit. Yeah, feel that, right? Don't think of 45 degree as well in this. Yeah, this is the wish. So this is nice actually, and as well as this is my first magnetic cube, so this is pretty good. I really recommend this for every type of cubers. So how do you cube this? Yeah, perfect. See, that's nice, and for this I'll keep this. Yeah. So this is actually nice, and let's check the mechanism of how it is from the inside. Okay, so it's a, I don't know whether this is dual adjustment or single adjustment. So let's try with those tools what we got. Okay, I think this is just the extra piece of what it is. I think from this you can adjust of however you want, I guess. Okay, I'm not getting that. As this is my first cube, I really don't know how to do those stuff, so I'm just guessing.
Yeah, I got that. So, no.
Hope it doesn't fall. You can hear that, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there is no 9. The ninth one is just reset itself. So there are 8 pieces, 8 types of compressions, I guess. So the ninth one is just resets it. So let me just put it back to its normal situation. That's okay. Yeah. So now it's in its normal position, and I really don't want to do that again, as this is my first cube of magnetic and which has adjustments in it. So yeah, pretty good cube with accessories as well, and the adjustment system, I really don't know whether that's dual adjustment or single adjustment. Actually a good cube, which is in this price point of around 600. So that's actually good. So I recommend this all the cubers, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or speed cuber. It is a good cube. It's like an all-rounder. You can have it. So this is my review of this unboxing and the review. And thank you, and please subscribe for my channel and hit the notification bell for future updates.